Hey everyone, if you want to update AnyDesk in 2026 to get the latest features, security fixes, and better performance, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process. First, updating AnyDesk is important because it improves security, fixes bugs, and makes remote connections more stable. Yeah, it also helps avoid login and connection errors. To start, open AnyDesk and go to the About section. Here you can see your current version and check if an update is available. The easiest way is automatic update. Yeah, go to Settings, then Access, and find the update options. Enable stable channel or main channel updates, and AnyDesk will update automatically in the background. If automatic update is not enabled, you can update manually. I mean, just download the latest version from the official AnyDesk website and install it. When you install the new version, it automatically replaces the old one without deleting your settings. Yeah, everything stays safe. For mobile devices, open the Play Store on Android or App Store on iPhone. Then tap Update if a new version is available. After updating, restart AnyDesk to make sure everything works correctly. So this helps apply all new changes properly. Now go back to the About section and confirm your new version number. Yeah, this ensures the update was successful. If you don't want to update manually in the future, enable automatic updates. I mean, this keeps your AnyDesk always up to date, and that's it. You've successfully updated AnyDesk in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.